Sifungo ke futhi ummeli okhona lenkantolo advocate Mshololo ke abuze imibuzo umfakazi okhona lenkantolo.
Brigadier, last time when you testified, I had already covered the issue regarding the Polo Silver Grey that is alleged by Constable Zongo that it was driven on the date of the incident at Basuto Hostel. However, I just need to get to clarity on two dates, which is the 9th of February 2016. You remember that you testified that there is an infringement that was picked up on the 9th of February 2016 as well as on the 20th of March 2016. And in those two infringements, the car that was driven, the registration number for that motor vehicle was 79YZGP.
Yes, I do.
You remember that evidence?
The statement of Mr. Control.
Yes. And this Polo that was driven, that is alleged to have been driven in 2016, the color and its registration number, is it the same motor vehicle that is alleged to have been driven on the 26th of October 2014 on the date of the incident?
No, my lord, we can't say with certainty because the statements insofar as the incidents of the 26th of October 2014 refers to a silver polo and also refers to the suggestion that it may have been a hired car, but there's no specific registration number given. So based on that, we cannot say. The only similarity that it's a silver polo and it was a car belonging to the shuttle services, but we can't say. I don't have evidence that says a specific vehicle with a specific registration number that was used on the 26th of October 2014. I don't have that, my lord. So we have similarities, but not the registration number.
Brigadier, is it correct that the only way in law in which you can identify a motor vehicle is by its registration number?
My lord, I think the question is too broad. Yes, if we are talking about the specification, that is now wanting to link the vehicle to its manufacturer. For example, this being a VW, to say, is it indeed a VW from Volkswagen South Africa? Then you need specification. You need the registration number, you need the VIN number, you also need the engine number, because then you confirm it, you confirm the details with the manufacturer. But when you talk to the Commission of Crimes, cars are described all the time by the description of how they look like. It's the same with suspects. People who describe a suspect in terms of the features, not necessarily the name of the suspect. So in my understanding, the same principle applies. If a suspect or a witness says, I saw a BMW 3 Series, tinted windows, and I think that vehicle had a sticker that is a construction vehicle or it's a ACPS vehicle that was present when the offense was committed, and you happen to find a similar vehicle during the course of investigation, there are similarities, my lord. But yes, if you want to talk to specific identification, you will need the engine number, the VIN number, the chassis number, and the registration number, my lord.
And with the registration number of a motor vehicle, you can be able to get the names and the ownership of that specific motor vehicle.
That is correct, my lord.
Did Constable Zongo give you the registration number for the said Polo vehicle that he identified at Basuto Hostel on the 26th of October 2014?
No, he didn't, my lord, because he didn't recall the registration number, so far as I can remember.